जी संसद के अंदर वाद विवाद विषयों के बारे में चर्चा और प्रजातंत्र के अंदर हम एक बात मानते हैं कि वी अग्री टू डिसएग्री, इसलिए चर्चा और चर्चा के साथ साथ लेकिन
Nothing except what the leader of the house will go on record.
हमें परंपराओं का ध्यान रखना चाहिए और परंपराओं को ध्यान रखते हुए संवैधानिक प्रावधान के तहत प्रजातांत्रिक तरीके से हमें हाउस की प्रोसीडिंग्स को चलाना चाहिए। मुझे दुख है ये बताते हुए और खेद है कि आपके बारंबार रिक्वेस्ट के बाद, in spite of your repeated request that the house should come to order so that at least राष्ट्रपति जी महामहिम राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी की मैसेज संदेश वह इस हाउस को सही वातावरण में यहाँ पर आप उसको रख सकें, लेकिन विपक्ष ने जिस तरीके की भूमिका अदा की है वो बहुत ही गैर जिम्मेदाराना है, इररिस्पॉन्सिबल है और इसकी जितनी भी निंदा की जाए वो कम है। मैं ऑन रिकॉर्ड लाना चाहता हूं कि राष्ट्रपति महोदया द फर्स्ट सिटीजन ऑफ द कंट्री, जब वो उनका मैसेज पढ़ा जाए तो हाउस ऑर्डर में होना चाहिए था, जो नहीं है। यह बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और इसकी हाउस निंदा करती है, यह मैं जरूर कहना चाहूंगा।
Leader of the opposition, I would urge you that request the members to go to their seats so that they can listen to you when the house is in order. Sir.
When leader of the house spoken in the same status.
Because leader of the house does not have control over opposition.
No.
If his members were here, I would have asked him not to speak and allow them.
Sir,
One second. On a point of principle, one second. On a point of principle, honorable members, I have indicated on numerous occasions, if a member of Council of States walks into the well of the house, which at the moment, yes, Shri Samirul Islam,
the leader of opposition,
Shri Nadim al-Haq,
I have to explain
and
something.
Muhammad Abdullah, these three honorable gentlemen
Sir,
have created chaos in the house.
no.
Disruption in the house. Disturbance in the house. And I will be constrained. I will be constrained to take a key mistake.
Sir, I want to speak. Sir,
Only three of you are here.
एक मिनट आप बैठो, then again you can come. एक मिनट में बोलने के बाद फिर आप सर
I will continue with the agenda. You keep
मैं
on doing
बोलने
what
के
you feel
बाद
like.
आप जो भी एक मिनट
No. They must take, everyone has to be on the seat.
प्लीज एक मिनट में
Everyone on the seat.
मेरे लिए एक मिनट दीजिए।
Everyone on the seat.
हाँ सर,
Excellent. Please take your seat.
अरे दे आर टेकिंग
Take your seat.
एक मिनट में बोलते
I am sure states are not your seats.
सर
Take your
डोंट
seat.
थ्रेटन often and often. What is this?
आपको गुस्सा नहीं आना चाहिए।
We are members of parliament.
आपको गुस्सा आएगा तो मेरे को परेशानी होगी। आपको गुस्सा नहीं आना
we are not treated like that.
एक मिनट
Please take your
We are
seat.
not treated like that.
Tiruchiti, you are a
minute.
senior member. Ask everyone to take seat so that the honorable leader of the opposition can be heard in rapt attention. Please take your seat.
Give him the floor.
I will allow everyone to express views. This is a house for debate, dialogue, discussion, deliberation. Everyone take seat. And let me remind this house, when Srimati Sonia Gandhi made her address, I ensured there was pin drop silence. I want pin drop silence when leader of the opposition speaks, and I equally want pin drop silence when any member speaks. That's the only way we conduct ourselves. So my prayer to you is, I will allow members to express themselves on two conditions. One, they have to speak from their seat, and number two, the House has to be in order. I hope the House is with me on this point. Now please listen to leader of the opposition in rapt attention. Leader of the opposition.
सर धन्यवाद। आपने जो सलाह हमको दी ठीक है,